Okay, this is supplemental to the Weatherbug video, the first video I did. I had a little dilemma with the screen rotation there. I didn't turn it off. So, the video came out sideways for about 3/4 of the last part of it. So, here we go. Let's go on back. I won't be able to show the install. It's already I'd have to factory reset and use a different email to show the install and everything. I mean, the download and everything. But let's see if it's even still on my wish list. And it's not. So we're going to go Weatherbug. There we go. It's an editor's choice. We won't be doing any of the pay stuff there, but it's editor's choice. I wonder what's the difference between this one here and this one here is. Here, I got this thing. We can use it. Oops, that's not what we wanted. Wanted that right there. Let's go ahead and change it to a highlighter yellow color. Maybe highlighter green. How's that? But yeah, boop. Let's thin that up a little bit. Oh, that's the eraser. Wonder how I can do that. No, part of this is learning what the crap I'm doing. So, okay, well, that's how you undo it. That's how you take a screenshot. I don't want to keep that screenshot. All right, delete. Yes, I'm sure I want to delete the image. First, I'll turn that off. Okay. So, anyways, back to where we were. The Weatherbug app. I think this is the one we used before. Because we went through and we read some of this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and rate this while I'm here. It's okay. I'm not sure. I believe so. Yes. It tells the weather. So, anyways, we're going to install it again. Shouldn't take long. Is it going to re-download? Okay, well, it's going to re-download it. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video until it's done. Okay, so there we are. We're going again. Now it's installing. Let's go ahead and open it from here. Oh, it is going to go through all of it. Alrighty then. So, allow. Alrighty then. So here we go. So what I'm going to do is in the first video, I'll have a link. I'll put one of those cards or something in it to link to this video. Add stuff to the description and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to do a lot of the stuff on the PC, and it's a Dino box. Thanks to my friend Michelle. We didn't have a computer at one time, and she donated it. It was her mom, but it's an old Pentium 4. Used to run XP. It's now got Debian on it, but it struggles. Um, anyways, yeah, it's not too good for video, but I can edit the video. It's just almost impossible to watch. But thanks, Michelle, for that. And ever since our laptop died, yeah, got to do the best you can with what you got. And thankfully, I got something, right? So anyways, back to this weather app here. It's got me in Kingman, Arizona, which is correct. No weather alerts. It's got some nice little pop-ups here. All your weather details. Okay, so yeah, we got wind speed and all this stuff. So we went ahead and we looked through all this stuff before in the other one. But just look and feel, and that's the whole point of me making these videos, is I check them out so you don't have to. You can watch me do it, and any potential risk or any, which, let's face it, there's not much risk anymore. But anytime you install software that you didn't make on, or at least you didn't have the source code for on your electronic devices, there's a chance that, something bad could happen. So we can go over here, look at the hourly, and the 10-day. Yep, still calling for rain. And here's the maps. There's me right there. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a location. Place I used to live. Oops. Fairborn, Ohio. Yep, there we go. Don't want to rename it. No sense in that, because Right Pat's right there in Fairborn. And we'll save it the way it is. Alright, we don't want to edit or delete at the moment. Select new, no. Let's just go back to the maps. Wow, been a while since I've been there. I can do this. How about this? How about we center in on what used to be my old the house I grew up in. The house isn't there anymore. Whoever bought it after my grandparents died, I guess he was a hoarder, and it was infested with bugs or something, and just wasn't worth saving, which is sad because it was a nice house when I was growing up. It was the biggest yard, biggest house in the neighborhood, biggest yard in the neighborhood. There's no comma there. Let's try to pinpoint this here and see if it hey, looks like it zoomed right in. Possibly. Let me see. No, that's off South Maple there. New Germany Tree Vine. Oh yeah, that's way off. East Doors. That's over there by where my aunt used to live. Surely is, because there's Red Bank. Superior should be around here somewhere. Oh wait, no, that's way over there. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go to it manually here. Wilkerson, Black Lane. Let's get back over here in Fairborn, Wright State University. Yeah, I was right down over in here. Oh, Dayton Yellow Springs Road. Colonel Glen Highway. Ravenwood. North Boulevard. And it was this lot. They've got it on S2 lots. Oh wow, they got this thing all kind of. Let's go ahead and change the maps real quick. How do we do this here? That satellite. There we go. Oh wow, it's all gone. That's where it's at, right there. That was 1966 North Boulevard. And it was this whole, I'll show you. is this whole thing right there. Yep. Oh, crap. Gotta break out of that first. So it's got a pretty good map area. That was my neighbor Gwen. There was Russ, and there's my buddy Tony right there. Man, they have cut down all the trees. All of them. Anyways, here's a guy, Jack. He used to do his lawn. Tony used to do his lawn at one point, too. So, but, wind chill advisory. Yeah, it's really stinking for them, though, because these pictures obviously aren't accurate. We go back over to the now. Yeah. So, here we go. Last time in the last video, we went through this, alerts, notifications, terms, maps, Nothing really significant. But this is what you get when you download Weatherbug. Oh, man, updates. You get it up here in the top. Let me bring this back up here. There. So, alrighty. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't really have too much of a call for an extra weather app, so I'll be getting rid of this one. Not that there's anything bad with it, not that there's anything good with it, I just don't have a need for it. And again, this was testing Android apps, so you don't have to. Now, you know what you get yourself into, and you don't have to download it and install it unless you're sure that's what you want. Oh, by the way, the ads ain't too bad. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Look forward to making the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the little bell icon if you want to be notified when I put out new videos.